What if I tell you that the small decisions you ignore every day can secretly change the entire direction of your life? Let's test your brain with unusual facts, strange experiments, and a few shocking ideas that might make you question reality. And in the end, I'll tell you what I personally think about all of this. Let's begin. Did you know that scientists discovered that your brain makes decisions up to 7 seconds before you consciously realize them? Imagine this. You think you made a free choice, but the brain already decided for you. Some researchers say free will might be just an illusion. My opinion? I think we do have free will, but our brain works like a super fast assistant that predicts our actions before we notice them. It feels weird, but also kind of cool. What if you wake up one day and half of your memories are actually false? Sounds impossible, right? But there's a real psychological effect called the Mandela effect, where groups of people remember the same wrong memory. Like the Monopoly man having a monocle, he never had one. So how do so many people remember it? My take? I think our brain fills in gaps to create a smooth story, even if the details are wrong. It's not a glitch in the matrix, it's a glitch in us. Here's a strange fact. Your body replaces almost every atom in you every few years. So technically, you're not even the same physical person you were back then. If everything about you gets rebuilt, who are you really? My opinion, identity is not in the atoms but in the pattern. We are like constantly updated software running on new hardware. Let's go deeper. What if the universe is not infinite but actually a giant simulation running on rules and limits? Scientists say reality is pixelated. Space and time come in the smallest possible units, like pixels on a screen. If it's true, then the universe isn't smooth, it's digital. Personally, I don't fully believe we're in a simulation, but I think the universe behaves suspiciously like a computer program. Did you know that the average person has around 6,000 thoughts per day, but only remembers a few of them? It means most of your mind lives in the dark unobserved. What if the best ideas of your life already happened, but you forgot them instantly? My take? That's why writing thoughts down is powerful. It's the only way to catch the invisible part of your mind. Here's a surprising psychological test. Look around you right now and find 5 objects that are blue. This instantly forces your brain into present moment awareness, lowering stress. Simple, right? But it works because your brain cannot be anxious and focused at the same time. I personally use this trick whenever my mind gets chaotic. Now a curious fact, your heart has its own mini brain, about 40,000 neurons. It can think, sense, and make decisions without your actual brain. No, your heart won't start doing your taxes, but it does influence emotions and intuition more than we think. I believe the whole listen to your heart thing is more scientific than poetic. Here's another what if scenario. What if you lived the same day repeatedly without noticing? The brain loves routines, and when every day looks the same, it stops forming new memories. That's why time feels faster as we get older. My opinion, break your routine often. Even a small change makes your life feel longer. Did you know that 90% of people experience thoughts that don't belong to their personality? Scientists call them intrusive thoughts, and they're completely normal. But many people think these thoughts mean something about them. They don't. They're just mental noise. I think accepting this makes your mind much lighter. Now something a bit shocking. Researchers found that people who talk to themselves are more intelligent, more organized, and think faster. So if you talk to yourself, congratulations, you're basically upgrading your brain's processing system. I do this all the time and honestly it helps. Here's a weird fact, we never actually touch anything. The electrons in your atoms push away the electrons in objects. So when you touch your phone, you're actually floating a tiny distance above it. Touch is just your brain interpreting electrical repulsion. Personally, this fact blows my mind every time. Let's check one more test. Think of a random number between 1 and 10. Most people think of 7. If you didn't, good job. Your brain escaped one of the most common mental patterns. These hidden patterns shape our daily life more than we realize. And now my personal conclusion. Most people live on autopilot, letting their brain run habits, thoughts, and decisions for them. But once you start noticing these strange effects, how your memories lie, how your perception tricks you, how your brain predicts you, you begin to gain control. You stop living automatically and start living consciously. I believe that understanding how your mind works is the strongest superpower you can have. What about you? Which fact surprised you the most?